Hi there, my name is Vlad and I'm going to talk a little bit about flipgrid, which is a fantastic way to motivate and enable students to communicate in video format. Flipgrid comes in your web browser and you can also download it as an application. My goal today is to show you how easy it is to use Flipgrid and hopefully motivate you to try it yourself. Let's start by creating a class. Let's say we're going to teach English. Perfect. Now we have a couple of options. We can use school email, which would be preferable, especially if you're using Microsoft or Gmail. If you plan to open up your grid to an international community, you would select the Educator Learning Community. There's an option where you can set a password for your grid to add an extra layer of security. Once your grid is ready, you can always edit or add new options by going to Actions and Edit Grid. Let's add a topic next. In our home screen, click on Add Topic and write a title. Let's say my dream job. Then write a description, what you expect your students to do, preferably with a little bit more detail than I'm going to do at the moment. Next, select the maximum recording time. You can select up to 5 minutes, but generally you might want to keep it under 2 minutes because 3-minute videos are long. You can also upload your videos from various resources or even upload images or create your own emojis. Video moderation is a fantastic feature. It keeps the videos from going live until you approve it, just in case you're worried about your students saying or doing something inappropriate. Then we create the topic and that's it. We can share it in multiple ways. It's quite convenient. And now we can invite our students to add their own content. Let's talk about making videos. You can click the recorded response button, and whether it's your app or your computer, you can start recording yourself. There are all sorts of cool options that allow for video editing and modifying them. You can edit text, you can write on the video, draw on the screen, or one of my favorites are the stickers. Stickers allow you to get really creative. Additionally, they can serve as an option for shy students to cover their face, which some of my students chose and really enjoyed. Alright, almost there. Resize it a little bit. Okay, and we're ready to record. Alright guys, see? Making videos is easy and you can pretty much do it on any device. It's really nice. Our video is live and we're ready to go. We can also set it to hidden. There are a few actions that you could take and you will probably get to know me a lot better when you start using the system. There's no need for me to explain each and every one of them at this moment. Some of the most powerful options are the ones that we have as teachers. Let me give you some examples. After you finish watching the video, you can leave feedback for your students in various formats. You can write a comment that they will see on the website or can be emailed to them. You can always assign grades based on ideas and performance. In my experience, the most effective method is leaving them video feedback. Not only can they hear and see you, but it makes the whole process a lot more engaging. The most important part of it is to encourage other students to interact. Ask them to leave videos asking questions or saying something about the other student's video. This makes the process a lot more engaging and keeps the students motivated to keep coming back and learning. You could just as easily run a single classroom or an entire grade on a variety of topics. You could potentially make it an international program as long as you share the same learning goals. Flipgrid's potential for learning is unlimited. I highly recommend that you try it out yourselves and run a small pilot course to see how it works. Take advantage of Flipgrid's strongest feature by encouraging your students to interact with one another. Give each of them individual feedback and tap into their motivation by encouraging them to interact with their friends. They will not only learn new things, but they will also have fun doing it.